All right, today I'm going to show you how to clean a pot with ramen noodles. As you can see, this pot has a lot of burnt on food inside of there that's stuck. All right, and I'm going to need to get it off, and so I'm going to use some ramen noodles with a little bit of Dawn dish detergent. The first thing I'm going to do is put some Dawn dish detergent into the pot just like this. And then I'm going to open my pack of ramen noodles. Place the block right there. And then pull out the packet and then take the crunchies that are in there. Put those in there. Those are going to help with scrubbing and scouring the pot. And then I'm going to take the flavoring packet because it dissolves some of the crud on there. And just put that in there like that. And then what I'm going to do is now I'm just going to add a little bit of water, just a little bit of water to get it going in there. And then I'm going to just take the pad and just keep on scrubbing the crud. As you can see, it's already starting to come off. Right here, you see that? So look at the crud starting to come off. And just keep on scrubbing this for about a minute or so to get it off. Look at that, it's coming off just like that. Just keep on scrubbing and you're getting in there. And get all angles of it. And if you need to, flip the ramen noodle packet to another angle. And just keep on scrubbing it. And after about a couple of minutes or so, you're gonna take this and then you're gonna rinse out the pot. Just like this. And that's how you clean a pot with ramen noodles. Let me know if you have any questions.